In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Semrush. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a project permanently removes the project and its associated data from your account, including things like site audit history, position tracking, and any configured tools under that project. This action can't be undone, so make sure you truly no longer need the data. If there are reports or insights you want to keep, export or save them beforehand. Also note that you'll need the right permissions to delete a project. If you don't see the delete option later, you may be viewing a project you don't own or don't have full access to. Start inside the project you want to remove. Confirm you're looking at the correct project by checking the domain and the project dashboard so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. From the main Semrush interface, click on SEO in the navigation. This brings you into the area where your projects and SEO tools are organized. Depending on your screen size or layout, the SEO option might be in the top navigation or the left sidebar, but it will be clearly labeled. If you manage multiple projects, take a moment to locate the exact project you intend to delete. On the right side of the project row or the project's header, look for the gear icon. This is the settings menu for that specific project. Click the gear icon to open the options available. Inside this menu, you'll find the Delete Project option. Semrush places it here to reduce accidental clicks, so it's normal that it's not front and center. Hovering over the options can help you spot it quickly if you're scrolling through other settings. When you click Delete Project, Semrush will show a confirmation prompt. This is your final checkpoint to make sure you're deleting the correct project and not something else with a similar name. Review the project name or domain one more time, then click Delete to confirm. The system will process the request and the project will be removed from your list. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a moment to update your dashboard. That's it. You started in the correct project, went into the SEO area, opened the project settings using the gear icon, selected Delete Project, and confirmed by clicking Delete. If you need to clean up multiple projects, repeat these same actions for each one. And remember, once a project is deleted, it's gone for good. So double check before you confirm.